Welcome to Neemacademy. Today we're going to see how to register to Neemacademy and see the features of the Neemacademy. So without delay, let's go and see. First of all, open your browser and search for www.neemacademy.com. After that, you will be redirected to the main page of our Neemacademy website. There you can see some content sections like courses, about us, blogs, join us, contact us, where all the information of Neemacademy are available. If you have checked it out, now let's move on to the registration part. If you are in the home page, click on the register option. There you need to enter some information of yours like email IDs and password for the email ID. After entering all the information, click on continue. Then you have two options to select. If you're a student, click on the learner options, and if you are an educator, click on the instructor option. After that, click on school level and select your class that you are studying/teaching and click on the register button. After clicking on the register, you need to verify your email ID. For that, you need to check your entered email ID, log into your email and check for email message from Neemacademy. There you can find the verification link and also OTP code. You can proceed with any one of them. For now, we use PIN code and enter in the verify option, then click on verify. Congrats, you are now successfully registered with Neemacademy. After registration, click on OK. Then you will see the login screen where you need to enter the registered email ID and the password. And entering the login ID and password, click on login in. After logging in, you will see a dashboard with various select options. Now go on to the My Library options and enroll in any one course. After clicking on Enroll options, click on Start Learning and you will have access to the contents. You can also see your progress bar on the right side, where your overall statistics are shown in the application. You can check your progress of individual subjects and as well as of overall subject stats. You can also have access to multiple courses, and for that you just need to select the course and enroll it. Each course has the contents with quizzes, games, videos, GIFs, 3D models. You will find it as you explore the courses. You can check individual subject statistics too, to check what you have accomplished till the date. You can also enroll by opening up the subject, and on the right side you can see the enroll options. While studying the contents, we have the video contents available too, where you can select the required quality options for the video as per your internet bandwidth and speed up and off the video. Now, let's see some self-evaluation. I'll be answering a set of questions and filling up my answer randomly. After completing the quizzes, click on Summary and check your final results, where you can see your total score and the top scores, and as well as the time spent in the quizzes with the total attempts count. So to check your answer, click on View Answer and you will be able to see the right and wrong answers that you made while completing your quizzes. After quizzes, we have an activities panel where there we have a set of questions and tasks to complete, and you can submit from there as well. After completing our quizzes and exploring the contents, let's go and see our progress. Here you can see all the progress details on the graph. Each and every details are tracked in the progress bar, and as you progress your grading will also be leveling up. Now let's see more details about the features. Now let's change the class. So for that, click on the top right options in the drop-down menu where you can see the confirmation message to change the grade. Click on Submit. And now choose the required class you want to change and click on Submit. So this way you can change your class too. In our app you can also set your goal settings. For that, click on the drop-down menu on the top right and click on Goal Setting. After that you will see the various options available. Now you can choose your best times and the interested time and contents. If you have selected the options, now our application will be notifying you about your goals. We also have certification courses. If you have completed any one, your certificates will be listed here and the badges too. Since our mother tongue is Nepali, if you prefer Nepali language over English, you have the option to change it too. We also have the options of a live test where you can check your skills and knowledge. Similarly, if you have your own notes made while studying on the app, your notes will be listed here. Same goes with the bookmarks. We students and teachers have a really difficult time managing the time. So for that we have the study plan available where you can schedule your preferred time for studying and reading so that it'll be much easier to have a track on your progress. You can also ask us any queries regarding the subjects while studying, and those issued questions will be listed in this Ask options. If you have a premium pass, here you can have more features and materials will be available. You can also earn points and other offers if you invite your friends. And finally, all the notices published by Neemacademy will be available in this Notices tab. So this is our overall features and guidelines for using Neemacademy app. If you have further queries and issues, you can contact us here. Thank you.